Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, just as the title says, I will be showing how to do passion twist and how to make them really long. In the past couple of months, I've been doing some really long passion twists, but this is the first time I'm making a video. For the style, of course, we use the Freetress Water Wave Air in 22 inches. We use 6 bags of that in the colors 99J, the color 33, and 2 bags of Water Wave Air, also passion twist air from Amazon in the color TT30. I think T1B30, TT30, that's the same thing, and 1 bag of the color T1B Burgundy, which is the same as the color 99J. And do enjoy the video as we get started, and please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed already. Thank you. Now, with regards to how much air I get to use for each twist, I usually mix it up when doing passion twist, and when doing this length, I don't want the twist to be so big because in addition to the length, I like to have my twist full, and when thinking of volume and length, you have to find a way to minimize the amount of air you're using so the style does not end up being heavy on the client's head. So for this style in particular, I mixed up the sizes. For some twists, I used 1.5 pieces, and for others I use 2 whole pieces, and you can't even tell the difference because the twists are all crinkled together. This way I get to use no more than 8 bags of air for the style. I get my desired length, get maximum volume, the twists are decent, and the style is not heavy at all. For this next twist now, as you'll be seeing, I'm using 2 whole pieces of air. 2 whole pieces, the air was not split at all. All I do is fold in about 6 to 7 inches of the end of one and of the end of the other, fold together and begin to braid.